Alright, today we're going to talk about your journey to English fluency and the guidelines, the frameworks, and the new ways of learning English. These are the things that will bring you the good life, more success, more money, love, and happiness. Those goals you have been going after and the success you have been seeking. Now, there are so many things you can do to improve your English speaking, but you need to focus on the processes that will help you build a strong foundation. Now, whenever we are working with English learners, whether it be our students, corporations, people in our mentorship program, or consulting, there is a core principle we focus on. And whenever people get this wrong, it's almost impossible for them to change their situation, no matter how many other things they are doing right. So for you today, I want you to put extra focus on this one, because if you get this one wrong, you are going to struggle with your English speaking. So, I was visiting a friend's language school in Japan where he was teaching English speaking to businessmen. This school was very famous and very expensive. And something shocking that I noticed there while I was observing a class is something that is still happening in most schools and classes all over the world. What I saw was the teacher was explaining things in Japanese to the students, and the students were all writing in their books. I looked at the books and was shocked to see that they were going over grammar rules. They were studying grammar rules and they were translating the rules from Japanese to English. I thought, this is terrible. This is supposed to be a speaking class. Okay, see what happens next in part 2 of this series. Click the subscribe button and you will never miss a lesson.